I coughed up a cigarette just to ask you for a light. I had the shit kicked out of me, 'cause I thought you'd like a fight. But when he stopped, you disappeared into the night. I guess there's nothing I can do. I spent $30 on a meal you didn't eat. It's lucky I was hungry. I guess I'm always hungry. I tried and tried and tried to sweep you off your feet. I guess there's nothing I can do. I stood on your doorstep wearing nothing but a hat. You just took the flowers and said, well, how about that? I bought you chocolates, but you said I'm getting fat. I guess there's nothing I can do. So darling, you can call me, but I'll leave it up to you, because there's nothing I can do. Because there's nothing I can do.